Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and this is kind of like my first hatchet slash carpenter's hammer, and yeah, just bear with me. We're gonna have a lot more better videos coming up on restoring some vintage little tools. Also, remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment. I know I hacked this one together pretty well, but yeah, I'm gonna do more of a serious job on 2 axes and a maul pretty soon. I'll show you a picture at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Also, my initial thought with this is that it's a two-sided tool, so whatever side of the tool needs more leverage, I put hand grips on the bottom and almost like a little pistol grip on the top for some leverage and muscle with the hammer and some preciseness with the hatchet. So double pistol grip handle. So this old rusty ball peen hammerhead, I'm gonna let it soak in white vinegar and then try to use that as a like a natural stain. Spoiler alert, in the future it really didn't work well. I needed to do more coats of it and whatnot, but you know, now you know.
Wanted to buy this bike from his friend for a couple of years. Why did he sell it to us, and why am I selling it? Well, he needed the money.
I love you. Love you. Not the prettiest wedge job, and also right below the head there, that will be covered up too. Also gonna fit a metal wedge in there. So this goes ding, 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 ding. Whoa. Ding, 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 ding.
Mm-hmm. Nee.
Alright guys, also, excuse me here, in part 1, I said I was going to do something with the head of the hammer of this one, but I'm going to just keep it how it is pretty much, and just run it and move on to other projects. Maybe in the future I'll wire brush and flatten the hammerhead there and just polish it. But otherwise, this is my first completed project, and now it's done. We're going to sharpen it up and get going. Also, like I said in the beginning of the video, I was going to show you guys the future projects here. And here they are. And there's a lot more than that. But if you're interested in seeing that, feel free to subscribe, hit the notifications, leave a like or comment right now. Let me know anything different I need to do or whatnot. But these ones will be done more correctly. I'll at least have a vice for these. Thanks for watching.